In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a specific search in Facebook Marketplace on your PC. Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic platform for buying and selling items within your local community, or even further afield if that's what you prefer. But sometimes finding exactly what you're looking for can be a bit like finding a needle in a haystack. So, let's dive into how you can streamline your search process to find the items you want more effectively. First, you'll want to open Facebook on your computer and head straight to the Marketplace. You should see the Marketplace icon on the left panel of your Facebook homepage. Click on it and you'll be taken to the Marketplace section. From here, you have access to an immense variety of listings ranging from electronics to home goods to vehicles and more. Next, to start a specific search, move to the search bar at the top of the Marketplace page. Here, you can type exactly what you're looking for. Let's say you're on the hunt for an iPhone 14. Go ahead, type that in and hit enter. Voila! Facebook will now show you a range of listings that match your search term. It's a good idea to be as specific as possible with your search query to ensure that the results are relevant to what you really want. Once you've started your search, you'll notice a variety of filter options on the left-hand panel. These filters are key to narrowing down the search results to better suit your needs. First, there's the location filter. You can set this to your city, or if you're willing to travel, you can specify a radius to include listings further away. Next, you can filter by category, such as electronics, home, or vehicles, which is especially useful if your search term could apply to multiple types of items. You'll also find a filter for price range. Here you can set the minimum and maximum price limits to ensure that the items displayed are within your budget. Additionally, you have the option to filter by item condition, choosing between new or used. Lastly, there is the delivery method filter, which allows you to choose between items available for shipping or pickup. Customizing these filters will help you home in on exactly what you're after. Finally, for a more tailored and convenient browsing experience, you can sort the search results. At the top, there's a drop-down menu that lets you sort results by newest, price low to high, and other useful metrics. This way, you can prioritize listings based on what's most important to you, like finding the best deal or the latest listing. Once all these filters and sorts are in place, you're ready to browse the results. Watch as the listings adjust to better match what you're specifically looking for, while being within your set parameters. Happy shopping, and may you find exactly what you're seeking on Facebook Marketplace without the hassle